Hi there, students. It's like painting the fourth bridge. Okay, this is a very British idiom. This means a never-ending task. A task that takes so long that by the time you've finished it, it's time to start again. Yeah. Let's see. The fourth bridge was, I think it was constructed in something like 1890. It was completed in 1890. And they were constantly painting it from one end to the other and then start again until 2011. Okay, so like 122 years. But finally they've got new materials, or they found new materials, and the painting of the fourth bridge has come to an end. Okay, but something that's like painting the fourth bridge is something that is so involved, so time consuming, that it never ends. Yeah, it's everlasting. Sisyphean is a synonym for it. A never-ending job. Yeah, a job so big that once you finished, it's time to start again. So I don't know. I guess raising children is like painting the fourth bridge. It's something that never ends. Yeah, it's something that you're always going to be doing. It's a job that never ends. I would guess scientific research is like painting the fourth bridge. It's a process that evolves, and there is always more to do, more to look at. Yeah, more to think about. Maybe learning English is certainly like painting the fourth bridge. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. Okay, so like painting the fourth bridge, something that is a never-ending job. Formality. I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in anything very formal. And the origin, well, the fourth bridge. The fourth bridge, by the way, it's a bridge, I think, to the west of Edinburgh that goes over the Firth of Forth. Yeah, okay, so like painting the fourth bridge. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. It's like painting the fourth bridge.